Hey everybody, so we got another Tac Pack video going on here. I'm thinking this is maybe this is June, March, April, May, June. I don't know. I've got two boxes, which is weird. So let's rip this one open and see what's inside. We'll see you in a minute. All right, everybody. This is the first box I got. So this is it's one of the pluses. I don't know. I thought I already did May. This could be June. I don't really know. We're about to find out. Oh, and of course I opened it on the top. Don't remember, open it on the bottom. Okay. That's where our card's at. Okay. Here we go. And this is the Tac Pack Plus. Which one is this? Oh, so this must be May because it's saying June hints down here. So this must be the May box. So Mission First Tactical Belly Band, OST Stencil Target Kit, True North Grip Stop, GSM earplugs, Goon Tape, and let's see, AT Technical vinyl sticker, plus item Bushnell TRS 125 dot sight. Whoa. So there's a dot sight in here. We receive. Anyways, okay, let's look inside here. No way. Oh, nice. Sweet. You guys see that? Awesome. Let's see. Yeah, they were right. There's a red dot in here. A Bushnell red dot. Wow. That's pretty sweet. I don't have anything like that for my rig. Let's see what we got here. Operator Survival Tool. This is the Draw and Draw 3D Silhouette. Interesting. Trace stencil on cardboard, cut it out, fold on dash fold. Interesting. What else we got in here? Ah, here's that Goon Tape. I've never seen this stuff before. It's pretty neat. It's like a soft, fuzzy kind of. It almost reminds me of like engine harness tape. Good to know if I need to do engine harnesses. Just get some Goon Tape. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, Mission First Tactical. Sweet. And we got a couple more items. What do we got here? Foam earplugs. Nice. Sweet. In case you don't have your ears. Oh, belly band. Holster. Ultralight edition. I recently got something like a belly band. I forget who it was from, but it's pretty cool. Mission First Tactical. That's awesome. What's the last thing we got here? Oh, a grip stop. You know, see, interesting. Probably made in the USA. Sweet. All right, everybody. So in this one, I think my favorite item is, of course, the optics. That's pretty sweet. I like the Goon Tape. What else we got here? And maybe the grip stop. You know. So, but yeah. So that's so this must be May's box. Is that what it said? Yeah, because June is the next one. So this was the May box. Let's see what it says for the hint. Plus box, an absolute must in every Go kit featuring high level professional first aid gear. Oh, nice. Standard box. Wow, this is all gonna be Go bag prep items. Blah blah blah. So that's probably the next one. So I've got that one here. So we'll get to that one, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Easy.